Heart of the plane. Each large jet engine weighs 7 to 8 tons. Boeing 777-2 engines, right pointing arrow 16 tons. Airbus A380-4 engines, right pointing arrow 32 tons. Team: over 100 specialists. Time: 7 days. This is the most delicate stage, because the engines give the plane its power to move forward. Keycap 5 landing gear, the feet of the plane. Number of wheels depends on the aircraft, A380 right pointing arrow 22 wheels. Each tire weighs 100 to 120 kg. Total weight: 6 to 8 tons. Team: 80 members. Time: 4 days. Now the plane can finally stand on its own, like a child wearing shoes for the first time. Keycap 6 wiring and electrical systems. A large aircraft has 250 to 500 kilometers of wiring. Weight: 1 to 2 tons. Team: over 500 electrical engineers. Time: 30 days. This is the longest and toughest stage. Each wire is like a nerve, carrying electricity throughout the plane. Keycap 7 cabin interior, comfort and design. Seats: 300 to 400, 15 to 20 kilograms each, right pointing arrow total 6 to 8 tons. Other facilities: kitchens, toilets, cargo floors, 10 to 12 tons. Total: 15 to 20 tons. Team: 250 members. Time: 20 days. This is the stage where the aircraft starts to feel like a home, with comfy seats, lights, and screens. Testing: every part is checked. Electrical, hydraulic,